Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, January 22nd, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and again let's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had a similar type candle making a higher high and a higher low, white body candle with a shadow on the bottom, and the size of the white body on this candle today is just slightly larger than the previous day, and that suggests that the buyers have made a decent amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, and they've actually extended that. So some solid momentum with the buyers for today's candle. The shadow on the bottom represents upside price rejection from the lows, and it represents the sellers losing commitment, so quite a strongly bullish day, a day where the market closed up at the high, denoting the buyers closing with strong control of this market and being fairly strongly committed to this market at the close. If we look at a lot of this recent trading and we look at these very two solid bullish candles that really established that the buyers were very strong in this market, and we looked at the market following those two candles and the attempt to retrace part of that first time frame uptrend, it was really quite meager in terms of the sellers, and they really didn't show any strength. And now we're seeing some solid strength in this market with white body candles as the trend continues back to the upside following the breakout up above the 1474 important level of resistance with a bullish candle. The only problem here with these candles is that the size of the bodies is not extremely large. We don't want them large like these, but what we'd like to see is them increasing in size. It does raise some doubt about the strength of the buyers, but not to a major degree. The problem for the market here in the near future will be this 1500 round number resistance for this market. We will need to see the market trade up above there in a solidly bullish manner before we see the market trading up to the 1523 level. With the way that this market's been developing in this first time frame uptrend, which is a fairly strong trend, the fact that we haven't seen good extension of the body of the white body does suggest that we could see some resistance around the 1500 level, and we could see the buyers losing some momentum up around there. But that's just an opinion. What we need to do is look at how the market actually reacts around there in real life, and then take our trading options off that. So that's certainly going to be a very important level. If the market does change trend, and there is a possibility of that, if it does, we should have solid support at the 1474 and the 1470 level, the previous resistance, and also we have the Tenkan Sen trading there, and that will be very solid support for this market as well. When we consider the solid upside momentum in this market, we can see that from the slope of the Tenkan Sen, the green line here in the short-term time frame, it should be the first level that we find support for this market if it does come off. And there isn't any really solid sign that this market will come off at the moment. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market's trending up, and here we've seen the market trade up in a very bullish manner through the 100% level. The next target here is the 161.8% level, trading at 1497, coinciding with the expected resistance around that 1500 level. It will make that resistance very, very important, and we should be looking to how the market tests around that level. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, the market has traded through the 100% level in a bullish manner. Today we traded through the 261.8% in a very bullish manner, and the next target is the 423.6% around the 1500 level. It's actually at 1501. So we have this nice little zone set up, and now this other Fibonacci technique highlighting this 1500 level does mean that this market has potential to face very, very strong resistance around the 1500 area. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously we have a bullish market in all three time frames. The market's trading above the cloud, so we're bullish in the long-term time frame. We're bullish in the medium-term time frame by trading above the Kijun Sen, the pink line, and bullish in the short-term time frame by trading up above the Tenkan Sen. So all three time frames are bullish, and that's confirmed by the Chica span, the orange line here, trading up above the corresponding price action. So overall, a bullish market in all three timeframes. The market is looking a little bit overextended, being so far away from the cloud here. There's a possibility that the market could find resistance around 1500 and attempt to trade back towards the cloud, and also looking a little extended, trading past the Kijun Sen here. So we do need to be aware of that, but at the moment no strong signals from this market in terms of the short-term dynamics. The buyers are strongly in control. The sellers really don't have any strength at the moment, but let's watch how the market reacts to around the 1500 level if we do trade there.